Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay ibabahagi ko ang ilang mahalagang tips kung paano makapasa sa Career Executive Service Written Examination o ang tinatawag natin na CESWE. The CESWE is the first stage of the Career Executive Service eligibility process, designed to assess the general intelligence and management knowledge of an applicant. Passing this exam is a crucial step to become part of the Career Executive Service, which is the third level or the managerial class in the group of career positions in the Philippine Civil Service. The CES was created by PD number 1 to form a continuing pool of well-selected and development-oriented career administrators who shall provide competent and faithful service. It includes managerial positions like the Undersecretary, the Assistant Secretary, the Bureau Director, the Regional Director, and other executive positions in the Philippine government. These positions require strong leadership and decision-making in which the best and the brightest should be in the government. The CESWE is a paper and pencil test with 220 questions across the 7 sub-tests. First, the error recognition. Second, the reading comprehension. Third, the data interpretation. Fourth, logical reasoning. Fifth, information. Sixth, management concepts and problems. And the last one is an essay. This exam is taken with a total duration of 2 hours and 55 minutes. Here are some personal tips to pass the Career Executive Service Written Examination. First, as an applicant, you must understand the exam format. Get familiar with the structure and the question type. Practice answering sample questions like multiple choice tests. Second, improve your reading and your comprehension skills. You need to read a lot of articles, reports, and try to quickly grasp the key points in each reading material you have read. Third, enhance your logical and analytical thinking. Try to solve puzzles, practice critical thinking exercises. Fourth, review your management concepts. Go back on your leadership theories, your decision-making, your organizational management principles and theories, and their applications to organizational management and development. Fifth, you need to develop strong writing skills for the essay. Because after all, the last part of the exam is an essay question. So therefore, you need to practice writing clearly and concisely with better and best arguments in your essay. 6. Manage your time well. You need to allocate time for each question and don't linger too long in one question because the exam also measures how you work under pressure. And lastly, you need to stay confident and composed because as future career executives, you must be able to look confidently beautiful. Prepare well, rest before the exam, and stay calm. The Career Executive Service Written Examination is a gateway to becoming a leader in the Philippine government. With preparation, strategy, and confidence, you can pass this test and move forward in the next level of the Career Executive Service eligibility process. Best of luck and may you succeed in your journey to public service excellence. Ipakita natin ang husay at galing ng Pilipino sa pagseserbisyo sa bayan. Maraming salamat.